You can see up here, that slide is, the top here just had it. We're gonna replace that. We just replaced mine. We've never done it before. Took about 2 hours. So we'll see how this one goes. Now you can see down there, that's the old one. And literally, all we did was tension that bar out. And then up here, you see it's still got tension on it. I got a screwdriver holding the tension. And I took 3 screws off. I marked this before I took it off. And then I had to take this screw out to the set screw. It actually come up from underneath right here. You can see the hole. Okay, so this package he found online for $78 has done 2 complete coaches. But you can see just laying it out there, cutting it the length, and then we'll slide the new one in. Okay, so pull it up and towards this. There you go. Okay, we ready to release tension? Okay, tension's released. Some people say that we let it rip. There she be. New slide topper, looking pretty nice. I have to run her in and out a couple times. Roll all the way down it so you can see the whole thing. Okay. Alright, you can stop it. So we got to pull it forward a little bit so we're just a tiny bit loose right here. But it looks really nice. So you can see I pulled it just a hair past my mark, and it's tightened this up just like we want it. You want the leading edge tight. If you want them both tight, but if you have to have a little loose in the back, it's better than the front. There we are all the way out. This is like a 20-foot slide. Beautiful coach. Put this back on and I marked it. The marks are hard to see because of the lighting, but I have not screwed it down yet because what I've found is that they're just a little bit different with a different awning. And so what I'm gonna do is let it freewheel in, make sure it doesn't hit anything, double check it and position it at the 1 o'clock position. And then go ahead and use those self-tappers and put it down exactly where it needs to be. But right now it's not screwed down. Whoa! Okay, come out a little bit. It just caught right the wrong spot, so that's why we do it the way we are. So now I'm just gonna install this, and we're gonna go at the 1 o'clock position. You can see where the original hole was, which is gonna put it more like 2:30. We want that 1 o'clock position right there. So we'll just put our self-tappers in. Cooper, hold this. Okay, go ahead and run it out and then just to make sure that we're not hitting what we don't want to be hitting. Keep filming. Okay, so we'll just double check that. See how it operates as it rolls out. Nice and good position. So one thing that worked out really well was if you put a round file in reverse, and you stuck it in this hole right here and just kind of elongated and made it a funnel, kind of opened it up just like this, that helped a lot.
I also found that the silicone lube worked well to lubricate the slide as we put it in.
So again, what we found was that all the damn slides had the same width. This whole depth of a slide was a BS measurement, and this little box was gold sand. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the comments below as to where he got this.